How to check events on your document. After logging in the dashboard, click on the Verify link under Action column. Your verification is completed. Now click on Continue. Scroll down to the Event section to check all the events and history of the document. You'll be able to see the entire history of your document, from the time it was sent to when all parties have signed it. You can check the events timestamp over here. You can also download the document at the time of upload and the time it got signed by clicking the download link. You can verify all the events by clicking on the Verify link under Action column. You can check transaction details over here. Verify document sign date and time from here. Lastly, you can export the event summary as PDF format or CSV format by clicking PDF or CSV link. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.